In this video, we're diving into how to register an LLC remotely, especially if you're a digital nomad who's always on the move but wants to build something legit. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions while building your online income from anywhere in the world. So let's get into it. Why digital nomads should even care about an LLC? Let's be real. If you're freelancing, running an online business, or making money while living out of a suitcase, setting up a US LLC might not sound exciting, but it actually changes the game in a lot of ways. For starters, an LLC gives you legal protection. Something goes wrong with your business, your personal assets like your savings, your laptop, or your Airbnb security deposit aren't on the line. It also helps you look more professional. Clients, platforms, and partners take you more seriously when you've got a company name, not just a PayPal email. And the big one, it makes it way easier to open a US bank account, set up with Stripe or PayPal, and get paid like a business instead of begging clients to Zelle you cash. You don't need to live in the US. You don't even need to step foot in the US. Everything can be done online. So let's break it down step by step. Step one, pick the right state for your LLC. Now, this is a mistake that a lot of people make. Not every state is a digital nomad friendly state. If you just randomly pick California or New York, you're gonna get hit with high fees, income taxes, and unnecessary paperwork, even if you don't live there. So here are the states most nomads choose. Wyoming, super low fees, no state income tax, strong privacy laws, no annual reports required. It's great for simple, lean online businesses. Next is New Mexico. Also, no state income tax. Doesn't require you to list member names publicly, which is great for privacy. Annual reports are not required here either. Delaware, very business friendly, but a little overkill unless you're raising money or have a startup with investors. There's good legal system for corporations, but not always the best for solo founders. For most digital nomads, Wyoming or New Mexico is the sweet spot. Simple, affordable, and built for hands-off remote ownership. Now, if you need help setting up your LLC, LegalZoom is really easy. All you need to do is click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. From here, just click on Start My Business, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on Start My LLC. Now, if you wanna go ahead and look at their different plans, you're gonna scroll down a little bit here to where it says Learn More. Once you have LLC selected here, make sure it's not on corporation, nonprofit, or DBA. And then go ahead and click on Learn More. That's gonna bring up their different plans. Now, LegalZoom can help you file your LLC for free. You just have to pay the state fees. But if you need some more help, like getting an EIN, an operating agreement, or stuff like that, you can pick the pro plan. Or if you want even more hands-on help with like a 30-minute consultation with a lawyer and stuff, go ahead and choose the premium plan. But it's super easy to get started. And again, the basic plan, if you just want that little bit of peace of mind, it goes a long way. We'll have a link for you down in the description below. Step two, choose a registered agent. Now, this part sounds boring, but it's important. A registered agent is someone or a service who receives official mail for your business. The state needs a physical address. And no, your beach hut in Bali doesn't count. Good news though, there are tons of registered agent services that will do this for 50 to 150 bucks a year. Some popular options include Northwest Registered Agent, Zen Business Inc. File, and LegalZoom. Pick one that fits your budget. We'll leave links for all of them down in the description below. They'll forward your documents and help you stay compliant no matter where you are in the world. Step three, follow your articles of organization. Now, this is where your LLC officially gets born. Every state has slightly different process, but you can usually do this online in like under 15 minutes. You'll need your LLC name and make sure it's available in your state, your registered agent's info, a business address. You can use a virtual mailbox, more on that soon. And then you'll pay a one-time fee. It's usually between like 50 and 200 bucks, depending on the state. Now, once your paperwork is submitted and approved, boom, you're now the proud owner of an LLC. Step four, get an EIN, known as an employer identification number. Think of this like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, set up Stripe and PayPal, and hire contractors or employees. You can get one for free directly from the IRS website. Just search IRS EIN application and make sure you're on the .gov page. If you're not a US citizen or you don't have a social security number, you'll need to apply by fax or mail. Yeah, I know, it's a pain and super archaic. Or you can use a service like Doola or First Base that'll handle this for you. Again, we'll have links for them down in the description below. Step five, open a US business bank account. Once you've got your EIN, you're ready to open a business bank account. This makes life way easier, especially if you're juggling international clients or multiple currencies. You don't need to walk into a Chase or Wells Fargo. There are digital banks built for remote founders. Mercury, made for startups and online businesses. Free to use, no minimum deposit, it connects with Stripe, PayPal, Wise, etc. And there's also Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. This is great for international payments, multi-currency accounts, and it's super useful for nomads getting paid in different currencies. Or Relay. This has a really clean interface, free ACH transfers, and and it's great for small businesses that want clean bookkeeping. Just pick one that fits your needs. Most of these just require your EIN and LLC documents to get started. Again, links for these will be down in the description below. Step 6, get a virtual address or mailbox. Here's the part most people forget. Your LLC needs a real US address to receive business mail. Your registered agent can cover official state mail, but you'll still need an address for things like opening a bank account, getting letters from the IRS, setting up payment processors. Now, you don't need to rent office space. Just get a virtual mailbox. Some popular services are Earth Class Mail, Anytime Mailbox, Virtual Post Mail, and iPostal One. These services give you a real US street address, not just a PO box. They scan your mail and even let you forward it anywhere in the world. It's super handy if you're hopping countries every month. Now, what about taxes? If you're a non-US resident and your LLC doesn't have any effectively connected income in the US, you may not owe US income tax. But don't just guess. Talk to a tax advisor who understands expat and non-resident business rules. And remember, even if you don't owe taxes, you might still need to file forms like Form 5472 if you're a foreign owner, annual state reports depending on your state. And if this sounds like a headache, then services like Doola or First Base can help you stay compliant. All-in-one formation services for digital nomads. Now, if you want to skip the DIY route and just have someone handle everything for you, there are companies that specialize in just that. First up is Doola, which I've mentioned a couple of times. It handles your LLC formation, EIN, US address, tax filing, and more. It's designed specifically for non-US founders. There's monthly pricing, but it saves you tons of time. First Base is another option for a great dashboard to manage your documents. It offers business bank account setup and virtual mailboxes. It's clean and easy to use. Now, these services are especially useful if you don't want to deal with the IRS or snail mail from another country. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, picking the wrong state. If you're not living in the US, don't form your LLC in a high fee state like California. Wyoming and New Mexico exist for a reason. Mistake number 2, forgetting to file annual reports. Some states like Delaware require yearly filings. Missing them can lead to fines or even your LLC being dissolved. Mistake number 3, using your real home address. Don't do it. Use a virtual mailbox or your registered agent's address to protect your privacy. Mistake number 4, not keeping business and personal separate. Open a business bank account. Track your expenses. Use accounting software. It'll save your butt during tax season. So starting an LLC as a digital nomad doesn't have to be hard. With a few smart moves, you can be up and running in a couple of days without ever stepping foot in the US. You'll look more professional, protect your personal stuff, and make it way easier to collect payments and grow your business on the go. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links to them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.